Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to turn off light mode and enable dark mode on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's launched, locate the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Depending on your device, this will either be in the bottom right corner or the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access the menu. Next, scroll down through the options until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand additional settings. From there, select Settings, which will take you to a new page with various configuration options. Now, scroll down until you see a section labeled Preferences. Under this section, look for and tap on Dark Mode. This is where you can customize your display preferences. Finally, you'll see three options: On, Off, and Use System Settings. To enable dark mode and turn off light mode, simply select On. Your Facebook app will immediately switch to a sleek, dark interface that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. And that's it. You've successfully turned off light mode and activated dark mode on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.